guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike MOTIVA. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We'll try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike MOTIVA. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's spelled M-O-T-I-V-A. So I want to say it's a MOTIVA. Like, you know, it's a motivator, you know what I mean. But anyway, we got this in the Racer Blue colorway, the Deep Royal, and we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's at US 8.5 or 8.5. So let's get looking. And here they are. A very, very unique shoe. And as you can see, did you see? Well, I don't know if you got notice of that, but I did that little rock when you placed it down. There it is. Look, just place it down and it rocks. And that is the sole intention of this shoe. So this is made for walking, leisurely strolls, maybe even a light jog. But Nike have advertised this sneaker as a walking shoe. So we're gonna get into all that details right now for you. But first, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can kind of see Nike's, famous waffle print right there at the toe. But if you look at the rest of the outsole, it just looks like a normal tire tracks, really, to be fair. And again, you can see the waffle print at the heel also. The midsole. So if you look at that midsole, you got that very thick foam midsole from Nike. And essentially you can see the grooves that the outsole made, and that was a design purpose. It's there to be, well, that didn't really work there, but you can kind of see it move about. When I placed it, it's just giving you that rocker motion, so it rocks to your stride and to give you like an extra burst of propulsion when you step. So that is the whole selling point of this sneaker, that this foam unit. And you can see that it can help people with their walks, especially if they're having trouble walking or don't find it as comfortable. With this little piece here, it's going to help. You look at the upper, so the upper is the materials. You kind of got this knit right there for you. Got this, you've got the adhesive plastics right there where the eyelets are. Looking at the lateral sides, you got a big Nike swoosh there. Again, it's essentially a sock unit here, so it's all one unit. And you look at heel, so you've got more of the heat pressed plastics with the Nike. And if you look at the ankle support, it's very well padded, and it's got that little lip, so you can easily slide your feet in. The tongue, again, just want to notice about the tongue, you got a pull tab there, Nike branding also there for you, and on the insole you've got the Nike logo right there. Obviously synthetic insole material. So that rounds up my review. It's very lightweight if you're wondering, and again, built for walking. I want to test this out when I do that little try on for you. So I'll give you my thoughts, feelings and emotions once we give you this on-feet review. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. When it comes to Nike product, I'm a UK size 7.5. These fit perfectly. Guys, this is really cool. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even gonna joke about it, but having this kind of like rock-by motion or steady rocker motion on the shoes is just really beneficial. I can kind of see the benefits of it when I walked. I feel like there is a little imbalance because a lot of the force is coming here at the central, so I feel like I'm a bit off balance. But once you get into the stride, it's like an extra bounce in your step. It's very comfortable. I can see why these were designed for walking. And if you're looking for very comfortable walking shoes, this is it. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time guys, peace.